Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am. This is Pranay Kadari, and I have 2 years, 6 months experience in DevOps and cloud. In my first organization, I worked as a AWS Cloud DevOps engineer. So in AWS, I learned in my first organization about EC2, VPC, and subnets and NAND gateway and Route 53 and target groups and SSL certificate manager. And when it comes to DevOps, I'm the only single DevOps engineer in my first organization. So I did end-to-end deployments from scratch and to end. So in DevOps, I have a knowledge on like Jenkins, Docker, and Kubernetes, and Maven build tool. And we use the Jenkins CI/CD, continuous integration, continuous deployment for. There we developed an application like NRF and NAC university ranking websites. So in my first organization, I worked 1 year, 6 months from 2022 January to 2023 July. So in the month of August 2023, I moved to my second organization, WIT Solutions. So there my designation was DevOps engineer. So here I got a chance to explore in GCP. So here in second organization, we use Google Cloud Computing. So here also same scenario. I'm the only DevOps engineer, only one DevOps engineer. So I did the deployments from end to end. So here I got a chance to explore in Google Cloud, like Compute Engine and Cloud DNS and Cloud Storage and Cloud Build and many a couple of 7 to 8 services. And here in this second organization, I worked for 7 months from 2022 August to 2023 August to 2024 February. So 7 months I worked here. And in DevOps, we did CI/CD continuous integration and Docker and Kubernetes. And in the month of February 2024, recently 5 months back, I moved to my third organization, Toggle 3D AR Solutions. So here my designation was DevOps engineer. So here I have a one team lead. So daily in Teams call, we use it to connect and we use it to distribute the work. So here I got a chance to explore in Azure DevOps, and we have AWS also. So two clouds in this third organization. We manage the deployments and in AWS and Azure. For two projects we used AWS and one project we use Azure DevOps. So here my day-to-day activities are like whatever the task my team lead is given, I used to complete, and we used to discuss a lot what are the cost optimization and how we need to improve. And recently we implemented Terraform from end-to-end deployment. There we integrated AWS services, VPC, EC2 and everything. And in Azure DevOps we used complete end-to-end deployment, Docker and Kubernetes by using Helm charts. So here I new skills I learned Jabix monitoring tool and PagerDuty, which send an alerts to my mobile and my teams whenever the website is down. And I worked on the SonarQube and monitoring tools. So apart from Jabix, in my previous organization, I used Prometheus and Grafana and GitHub Actions. In this my third organizations, I learned a lot in GitHub Actions workflows. That's it. This is my small brief introduction about myself, and thank you.